Privacy is back in the spotlight, and Zcash, the cryptocurrency built on zero-knowledge proofs, just had one of its biggest turning points. With its 2024 halving, renewed media attention, and growing regulatory security, Zcash Coin is at the crossroads. In today's video, we will cover the latest updates, what major outlets like Reuters, CoinDesk, and Yahoo Finance are saying, and how these events could affect the price of Zcash going forward. First of all, let's take a look at what the Zcash is. By the way, Zcash is being traded under the ticker of ZEC, and this is one of the oldest and the most respected privacy coins. It was launched back in 2016, and by the way, that was forked from Bitcoin, but there is a big difference. And that is the option for shielded transactions. Using ZK snarks, Zcash allows users to keep their transaction details private while still providing validity. The project is led by the electric coin company, founded by Zooko Wilcox, and it is also supported by the Zcash Foundation. Over the years, it's gained recognition not from crypto enthusiasts, but also from well-known privacy advocates. Even Edward Snowden has praised its technology. Now let's talk about the big developments shaping Zcash today. Previously, we had the halving in November 2024. That was, by the way, a major milestone. According to official Zcash network pages, the block reward cut in half, reducing new ZEC coin entering circulation. Historically, halving events tighten supply and can create upward price pressure if demand stays constant. Cointelegraph and CoinDesk both highlighted how traders are eyeing on Zcash because of this new scarcity factor. Secondly, regulation is a double-edged sword. Reuters and other outlets reported that privacy coins like Zcash are under heavy scrutiny worldwide, while some exchanges have already delisted privacy tokens, which reduces liquidity and could suppress price action in the short term. However, for privacy advocates, this same regulatory push only strengthens the argument that tools like Zcash are necessary in today's financial landscape. And on third, there is a renewed wave of interest in the privacy coins. By the way, it started in early 2025. Yahoo Finance price feeds and CoinDesk coverage shows ZEC rallying after the halving, with analysts linking the move directly to tighter supply and traders rotating into privacy-focused assets. Now here it's important to note that key figures like Zooko Wilcox remains the face of the electric coin company and pushing the core development. The Zcash Foundation runs grants and community funding. Together, these organizations keep the project alive, releasing updates and proposals known as ZIPs or ZIPs. And as mentioned earlier, public figures like Edward Snowden have previously endorsed Zcash privacy tech, is the big reason which continues to give the project legitimacy in the wider conversation of the financial freedom. Now let's take a look at how these factors and events affect the price of ZEC coin. At first, we have the halving, which is most bullish from a supply standpoint, with fewer coins hitting the market, and even modest demand could push the price higher. Secondly, we have regulatory pressure, which is, by the way, a bearish factor in the short term. If major exchanges delist ZEC coin, then it can lead to liquidity falls, and it will make harder for new investors to get in. And third, we have a renewed media coverage and market narratives, which are neutral to bullish, as more outlets highlighted privacy coins again. And this can be the big reason that traders could pile in. That can lead to sparking volatility, but also upside potential. Put simply in this way, Zcash sits at the crossroads of scarcity-driven optimism and regulation-driven caution. So in summary, we have Zcash in 2025 as a project with cutting-edge privacy tech, a shrinking supply, and by the way, thanks to its recent halving, and a big caution is an ongoing battle with regulators. Now let's take a look at the live charts, and this is, by the way, a 7-day time frame chart, and you can see that the price of Zcash is so bullish for the past several months. And by the way, before we begin with the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it and for more trading signal, because I'm also sharing the trading signal for my members on the daily basis as well. You can also join my YouTube membership or as a Patreon membership as well, because there I'm sharing different trading signals on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to check how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. For example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's the trade setup for Bitcoin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this signal here, like this signal I shared on 8th of August. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like there's the buying zone, sell target zone, the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart. And this is a 7-day time frame chart. And I have been showing you this huge falling wedge pattern for the past several months. And within this bigger falling wedge pattern, first we broke out this small falling wedge pattern, then we broke out the big falling wedge pattern, then price line formed another small falling wedge pattern above the resistance of the previous big falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed, finally we broke out the resistance, and the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern was also acting as a support for this small falling wedge pattern. But after the breakout for the past few weeks or months, it was getting rejected by another downtrend line resistance. And I've been telling you in those days that once Zcash will be able to break out this resistance, and soon we can expect a very, very massive rally. By the way, so far from this low, when last time it was testing the support of the wedge up till this high, the price line of Zcash has rallied more than 1,000%. And now we are about to hit a very long-term resistance of $216 that was previously working as a point of rejection here in the month of March 2022. Therefore, this time, again, it can work as a strong hurdle for the price line of Zcash. Now, the upcoming target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of it. That can be somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.